Hi everyone, I'm Swati, your English teacher. I welcome you to introductory session of Lesson Can. Now as you're listening to my class, you can speak English fluently. You can talk to any native speaker, okay? Now let's get to know in the details about can. You might have used can in your daily life, right? Here we'll learn the correct ways of using can. So I'll give you here a few of the examples. You can keep repeating this in your mind so that you can get a better gist of this, okay? Now, can be used in many ways, as you know. You can express your ability by using can. I'll give you a few examples. Listen carefully, okay? Here we go. I can teach English. I can jump very high. I can drive very fast. I can swim in the sea. These were a few of the examples to express your ability to do something. Now let's see how we can use can to explain possibilities. Here we go. Can you arrange some money for me by today evening? Can she bake a cherry cake? Can he solve this problem? Can I have one of those chocolates? Can she cook? Can he come to the office tomorrow? So now we just learned how to express your ability and possibilities by using the word can. There are many other forms of can. Let's see what that is. Now can be used in the positive form, which you know already. What is the negative form of can? The grammar books may tell you it is cannot, but in real life we normally say can't. And also remember, whenever I give you an example, keep repeating it in your mind, okay? And also refer your textbooks for a better understanding. So now let's pick up an example for the negative form of can. What is that? That's can't. I cannot speak Russian. Now let's make that more easier to speak. I can't speak Russian. So now you can see the difference of using can't in the place of cannot, right? It makes a sentence more easier to be spoken. Let's take up few more examples. Don't forget to keep repeating it in your mind, okay? Here we go. I can't dance. They can't play football when it rains. They can't stop us. She can't dance. So these were the examples of the negative form of can, right? Now let's go to the WH questions section. Wondering what WH questions are? Words used to create a question with the first two letters beginning from WH are termed as WH questions. So in your daily life you might have been using these questions, WH questions. So let's see how we use it properly in a sentence. Okay, here we go with few of the examples. What can I do for you? You might have heard this sentence in many places like offices, clinics, hotels, etc., right? Here the word what starts from WH. Now you may be wondering, why am I talking about WH questions in the can lesson? Now let's hear how can WH letters be used with can to convey a courteous gesture. Here I'll be teaching you how can WH questions be clubbed with can. Now let's take up few examples. I hope whenever I give you some examples, you are repeating it with me. Okay. Let's start together now. Keep saying it with me, okay? And also refer your textbooks. Now here we go. When can it be ready? Where can I get it? Similarly, let's hear how can we use can't, the negative form of can, with WH to create questions. Why can't she sing some melodious song? Why can't he talk politely? Okay? So these were the few examples for WH questions. Try to use please with most of the sentences to prove courtesy and politeness. Here we go with few of the examples. Can you please do me a favor? Can I please use your mobile? So let's repeat whatever we learned. Let's get a gist of that. First we learned how can be used to use possibilities and abilities. Then we learned the negative form of can, that is can't. Then we learned how WH questions can be used in the sentences which has can in it. And now we just practiced how can't, the negative form of can, be used along with WH questions. Well, guys, I hope you have heard this, that practice makes a man perfect, right? Keep practicing. You may refer your textbook and you may refer the audio. So you'll have a better idea of can after practicing in the practice session. Keep learning and keep practicing. Bye-bye.